What's up, y'all? It's Daniel from Dronefly, back with another exciting drone tech comparison. Today, we're pitting the DJI Zenmuse L1 against its successor, the Zenmuse L2, to see if the new kid on the block is worth the upgrade. The Zenmuse L2 is like the L1's cooler, younger sibling. It takes everything good about the L1 and cranks it up a notch, making it the ultimate LiDAR payload for your drone mapping adventures. Both the L1 and L2 are compatible with DJI's flagship drones, the Matrice 300 and Matrice 350. However, for the L2 to work with the Matrice 300, you'll need to upgrade your controller to the DJI RC+. Both payloads pack a LiDAR module, an RGB image sensor with a mechanical shutter, a high-accuracy IMU, that's like a super precise gyroscope, and all stabilized on a 3-axis gimbal. This means you can capture both 3D point clouds from the LiDAR and photogrammetry maps from the RGB camera. Now let's talk about accuracy, where the L2 really flexes its muscles. The L2 offers 5 returns instead of the L1's 3, meaning it can capture a whopping 240,000 points per second of point cloud data, even in challenging environments like dense foliage. It also boasts a vertical accuracy of 4 centimeters and a horizontal accuracy of 5 centimeters compared to the L1's 5 centimeters and 10 centimeters. The L2's laser spots are nearly 1/5 the size of the L1's, allowing for highly accurate point clouds in even the most demanding scenarios. This is where LiDAR truly outshines traditional photogrammetry. Plus, the L2 ditches the L1's 5-minute warm-up procedure, so you can get to work as soon as you power it on. And when it comes to coverage, the L2 can map a massive 2.5 square kilometers, 600 acres, in a single flight, compared to the L1's 2-kilometer range. So is the Zenmuse L2 worth the upgrade? Absolutely. It's a significant step up from the L1, offering improved accuracy, coverage, and efficiency. If you're serious about drone mapping and LiDAR, the L2 is the clear winner. Stay tuned for more in-depth content on this awesome payload. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, give us a call, drop us an email, or check out dronefly.com. Until next time, I'm Daniel, and I'll see you.